everyone. Today, I want to talk about green technology. This means using new ideas to help our planet. Green technology is important because it keeps our air clean and safe. For example, solar panels use sunlight to make electricity. This helps use us energy without hurting the environment. Another great idea is electric cars. These cars do not use gas and do not make pollution. They help keep our air clean. Recycle is also a way to help. When we recycle paper, plastic, and glass, we can make new things and reduce waste. Every home and school can recycle. In Malaysia, we see many green ideas, like bulletin with place and the round. Let's have the bulletin and clean the air. We can help too. We can save
Energy
by turning off lights and using less water. Even small action make a big difference. Dear friends, green technology is important for the future. Let's work together to